Swift restoration from water damage. Minimize losses effectively. Attention, drama lovers. Here's a plot twist. Say goodbye to water damage woes with our script-flipping guide to restoration. Whether you're battling leaky faucets or surprise indoor pools, we're here to rewrite the narrative with savvy solutions that'll keep you dry and grinning. Let's rewrite that ending. Understanding water damage. Sources and causes. Water damage often originates from sources within the building itself. Common culprits include burst pipes, overflowing toilets, malfunctioning appliances like water heaters, and issues with sump pumps. External factors like heavy rains can also cause water intrusion leading to flooding. Identifying the exact source is an important first step in the restoration process. Sanitary sewer backups are another major contributor to water damage in real estate projects. A comprehensive assessment of on-site drainage infrastructure and sewer connections is essential for preventing such occurrences. Structural implications. Water can significantly compromise the structural integrity of a building if left unchecked. Different construction materials are impacted in various ways. Drywall acts like a sponge, absorbing water and becoming warped and crumbly as it saturates. Prolonged exposure leads to mold growth which feeds on the paper facing. Wood swells and buckles when wet. Decay sets in as moisture enables fungal growth. This deteriorates load-bearing wood framing and creates opportunity for termite infestations. Steel is prone to rusting when exposed to moisture. Corrosion compromises the strength of critical steel beams and reinforcing bars in concrete. Concrete also cracks and spalls over time as water seeps in and erodes the cement paste. This reduces its structural capacity. Masonry like brick and stone erodes with freeze-thaw cycles in the presence of moisture. Cracks form and widen, destabilizing walls. Mold is a major concern with prolonged dampness. In addition to damaging materials, mold impacts indoor air quality and can lead to health issues if inhaled. Certain molds like Stachybotrys chartarum release dangerous mycotoxins. Moisture also compromises insulative value of materials. Wet insulation, bats, and vapor barriers lose R-value, causing condensation issues. This moisture buildup enables further material decay. Left unchecked, water damage can severely undermine the load-bearing capacity of key structural systems including floors, walls, and roofs. Weakened framing, degraded concrete, eroded masonry, and corroded steel reduce a building's ability to withstand live loads and seismic forces. This poses major safety risks to occupants. Water damage also opens the door to pest infestations beyond mold and termites. Rodents and insects are drawn to damp conditions and can spread dangerous diseases. Their burrowing and nesting further deteriorate structural components. Clearly, inadequate restoration of water damage jeopardizes both building integrity and human health. A comprehensive response focused on thorough assessments, drying, repairs, and mold remediation is crucial. Financial considerations for restoration. Immediate financial impacts. Water damage leads to substantial unplanned expenses that can debilitate project budgets. Key costs include emergency services for water extraction, drying, and securing the site. Equipment rentals like industrial dehumidifiers, air movers, and generators. Labor for after-hours and weekend service to start immediate remediation. Demolition and debris removal of damaged materials like drywall, carpets, and furnishings. Professional drying services from water damage restoration companies. Structural repairs by qualified contractors to fix critical building components. Potential hotel costs and temporary rentals if a residential property is left uninhabitable. These sudden restoration costs following a water damage incident can easily amount to tens of thousands of dollars, creating a financial emergency. Withstanding this budget shock requires having adequate contingency funds or otherwise reallocating budgeted project dollars. Securing experienced water damage remediation contractors quickly is key to controlling costs. Extensive drying within the first 48 hours minimizes structural impacts and mold risks, reducing long-term repair expenses. Response time is critical. Inventorying damages through photos, videos, and detailed documentation also ensures accurate insurance claims to recover applicable restoration costs. Insurance coverage and financial support. Insurance policies. Having adequate insurance is critical for managing the costs of water damage restoration in real estate development projects. There are several policy options to consider. Builder's risk insurance covers projects under construction, protecting against losses due to water damage. It includes materials, equipment, buildings, and soft costs. Property insurance covers completed buildings and contents. Flood insurance protects against external water intrusions. Business interruption insurance provides coverage for income lost due to water damage delays. This preserves revenue streams during restorations. Commercial general liability insurance handles third-party liabilities arising from water incidents. This is important for occupied buildings. Policies have certain key characteristics. Coverage limits cap the claim amounts per incident or year. Higher limits provide more comprehensive cost coverage. Swift restoration from water damage. Minimize losses effectively. Deductibles must be paid out of pocket before coverage kicks in. Lower deductibles reduce initial restoration expenses. Exclusions define specific cases like floods or sewer backups where coverage does not apply. Limiting exclusions is ideal. Sublimits place caps on categories like equipment rentals or mold remediation. Maximizing these offers more flexibility. To sum up, restoration from water damage demands swift paddling to stay on course. Don't drift into financial dire straits. Call us to connect with restoration pros ready to steer your project to smooth sailing. This proactive approach preserves property value and keeps real estate developments on budget and on schedule.